Hey guys, it's me Churro, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the TBD, or the placeholder emote, or what other people call it, the Running Man V3, but I'm just going to be calling it placeholder emote. So first you want to download HXD, the link to HXD and this file right here will be in my Discord in the description below. And so you want to open, it says in the file right here, you want to open pack chunk 1 Windows client right here, and then you should get this. So this is easy if you just follow my instructions. So you want to open this, and it should say something up here, and it should say something, yeah. So you want to take the top one, copy the hex, Control C, and then go into HXD, press Control F, make sure this is hex values all, and then place that in there, and then it should find this, and it should say swipe it. Oh yeah, you do need the emote swipe it for this to work. So then you want to take the Running Man V3, go back into HXD, and swap the hex codes. Okay, well maybe, oh, right there. Yeah, sorry, I accidentally copied the top. I got confused for a second. So how I do this is I look at the very top and I look at the very bottom and then copy and highlight to that. So then the next one is you want to do this and go back, all, copy this. See, I look at 4D and then 2F, copy up to that, like that. And then it should say if it detects a file size change, it'll give you a warning, so don't be afraid of that. So once you've done that, close that, and I'll go and I'll see you guys in the Fortnite locker. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, make sure you save your changes, press yes, it'll say create a backup. Just cancel that and then just save although the backup was cancelled. And then, oh yeah, Recon Expert, this one's coming soon. Yeah, so, and then you want to open Fortnite, and then I'll see you guys in the locker. Alright guys, so we're in Fortnite. We're going to our locker, and then we're going to go to our emotes. And you want to look for swipe it. Yeah, here. Now you should have this emote in your locker. So if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will be posting more content soon. That Recon Expert video will be a future video. Stay tuned for that, and be sure to join the Discord in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.